I have a lot of people ask how I prep windows, so I thought I'd make a video about it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Wayne from Fade to Black. Like I always say in my videos, man, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for commenting, supporting the channel, hanging out on the Wednesday night live streams, man. I always look forward to being able to pop up some videos and see what you guys think about them, get your opinions, and also learn from you guys as well. But I had a lot of people ask how I prep windows before I install window tint. And to believe it or not, man, you guys know me, man. I keep it real crazy simple. I don't do any extreme crazy things when I do it, man. I just keep things really down to the minimum basic. I don't overdo it. I don't over spray so much solution. I don't flood the panel. I don't do any of that. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick, really basic, what I do and how I prep windows before I install the window tint. Now, this customer is a return customer. It's kind of crazy. He had an accident on the other side of the truck, blew out both of the windows. So I tinted those before. Now I'm gonna retint them. And also he wanted to go darker. So I already got this back rear passenger driver's side done. It looks pretty dark. I went over that with the film. So I'm gonna do all the other three windows, 20% on all those. For the point of this video is to show you how I prep a window before I tint install. So I'm just gonna do a real quick basic, keep it slow, of what I do. I'll try to explain as best I can, but follow along. If you guys have any questions, man, leave them down in the comments. So let's get it done. All right, so when I prep a window to get ready for a tint install, I have the same steps. I do the same thing over and over. It's nothing crazy. So I'll just start off and you guys can follow along. Pre Tac, number one, spraying the glass. Now I'm gonna take my blade and just lightly go over the glass to make sure there's no burrs and no type of contaminants on the glass. I'm not using a ton of pressure. I'm just skimming over the glass just to see if anything's on there that needs to get scraped off. I'm trying to get everything forced down to the bottom. Now, the customer wanted to leave those on, so I'm gonna leave those stickers on. Now I'll roll it down a little bit and I'll just make sure I can get this top edge. Make sure there's nothing on it. Now a little bit more solution. Now I'll take my scrubby and I will just go over this glass. And one thing that I think is very important is just get this top edge. Scrub that top edge, because when you lay your film on it, things can drip from the dirty top edge down into your film. So scrub the top edge as best you can. Check and see if you have anything on your scrubby after you get done hitting that top edge. And then I'll roll it back up. Usually during this process, I'm just constantly wiping any extra solution off so it just doesn't get totally saturated. But I don't use a lot of solution anyway, so usually I don't get just dashed the door panel flooded. Now you guys know I've been loving this Sidewinder, so I'll take this Sidewinder, I'll get it deep into the seal, and I'll just pull it all the way back. Wipe it off. Wipe it off, and then I kind of flip it. Come back this way. All right, then I'll get deep into that seal with this and come all the way down with it. And then run this way. Now, one thing I like to do is pop the window back up a couple of times to make sure, just in case the window doesn't shift. I'll take my towel and I will wipe this top edge. Make sure it's clean. And then go over it with a squeegee one last time and push everything down to the bottom. And that's basically how I prep a window. So for me, this window will be ready to have the tint installed on it. So that's how I prep a window before I install tint on it. Like I said before, man, it's nothing crazy, it's nothing off the wall. It's just very basic, straightforward to the point, man. I keep things so simple. If you guys probably know that by now, but this customer is faded. He's good to go, 20% out of front. We did 20% over the rear doors for him. That's what he wanted to do, kind of darken it up. So he's good to go, man. Hey, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it so much, man. If you like this content, give the video a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're not miss any notifications, and I'll be back when I get time with another video. Until then, guys, stay faded. Peace.